just on 8 minutes away from 12. Madonna, just had a gentleman on the phone, and you were talking about the thyroid test of the gentleman that went, and it came back okay from the doctor, but there was still a problem, and he believes that his wife could be suffering from the same thing. Could you just put a bit of light on that?
Yes, so definitely. The doctor will always check TSH, and as long as it's between 0.3 and 4.5, the doctor will say it's okay. And basically, women, by the way, 1.5 is optimal for TSH. Then you've got your free T4 and free T3. Once again, T4 is the most, I think it's the cheapest test, so I think, that's the one they'll often do. Okay. But free T3 is really important as well. It needs to be free T3 and free T4. If it's just T3 and T4, they might be bound and unusable in your bloodstream. Mm-hmm. But the extra ones are the thyroid antibodies. You need to know if your immune system's attacking the thyroid. Check out symptoms associated with Graves' disease and Hashimoto's. So quite often Hashimoto's feels like depression. So women especially might be just whacked onto antidepressants. 1 in 4 women in Australia over the age of 40 are on antidepressants. How many of them have undiagnosed thyroid issues? So the thyroid antibodies are really important. Now, there's another one called a reverse T3. It will not be free in the blood tests, and it can cost anywhere extra from $50 to $150 depending on your GP, I think. But basically, reverse T3 is something that tells you you're not converting your T4 to T3 correctly, and it's becoming a toxic nutrient in your body. Mm-hmm. So it's like when we get breast cancer and it's estrogenic. It's not estrogen that causes it. It's a toxic form of estrogen that hasn't been metabolized properly that caused it. Same with prostate cancer. It's not testosterone that does it. It's a toxic form of estrogen that does it. So estrogen and testosterone aren't toxic. Your thyroid hormones aren't toxic unless they're changed into a converted form in the body. Okay. So the extra ones really are reverse T3. And have a Google about that, have a read about... Doctors don't know what to do with the answers. Once again, it's more a naturopathic domain. And we can get the testing done through labs as well, if you can't get your GP to do it.
We did get the information correct. We didn't have a lot of time because we were running out of time with our commercials and we had to get back live to air. But I do hope that answered the questions for that gentleman, his wife, and I'm sure that they can always give you a call if they want to come and see you and take it a little bit further.
Oh, and check out our YouTubes. I've got so many YouTube videos from past Bay FM segments where I talk about things like the thyroid, so there's lots of information on there.
Well, there you go, sir. Thanks for that. We do appreciate the call. We'd love to go live to air with some of these calls because they are very interesting, but unfortunately we just don't have the facility at the moment. But nevertheless, hopefully that's given you an answer, and if not, you can always give them a bell at that telephone number. 3348
6098. Thyroid is one of our things, It's such an important organ and so often misdiagnosed.
Yep. Okay, so 3348
6098.
6098. All right, Madonna. Okay, well, we're fast approaching 12 o'clock.
We're fast approaching my holiday.
Yes, we are too, yeah. So, look, have a great holiday.
Thank you.
Look forward to your company when you get back. And you've already organised something like a present for me or something like that. Bandolero or something. Something, a Peruvian rug.
Yeah, just whatever. Yeah, whatever we can fit in the knapsack.
Yeah. Oh, no, I want it to be a reasonable size. Well, look, have a great holiday.
Thank you.
Appreciate it so much. And we'll talk to you in how many weeks' time?
In December.
December, wow.
So I get back on the 10th of December.
Goodness me.
Yeah.
All right, thanks so much. Wonderful. Look forward to your company then. This has been Russ and Madonna, and we're heading towards a 12 o'clock update. Ted will be with us pretty soon. Take it nice and easy.
Bye.
Listening at the same time next week to hear more from Madonna.